The Twin Coach delivery truck, produced by the Twin Coach Company of Kent, Ohio, is an iconic vehicle with a unique design and a significant role in mid-20th century American commerce. Founded by the Fagioli brothers, Twin Coach specialized in buses but gained recognition for its delivery trucks, particularly those built for Helms Bakery in Los Angeles, California. The Helms Bakery, established in 1931 in Los Angeles, California, became well known for its direct-to-home delivery model, bypassing traditional retail stores. To facilitate this, the company ordered 148 specially designed Twin Coach trucks, which were flat-fronted for easy entry and exit and featured interior wooden shelving to store a variety of baked goods. Customers signaled for a delivery by placing an H card in their window, prompting the helmsman to stop and serve them directly from the truck. These trucks became an iconic part of Southern California's daily life. Helms Bakery gained additional recognition by providing bread for athletes during the 1932 Summer Olympics. Twin Coach delivery trucks were built for efficiency. They featured a 199 cubic inch Hercules flathead inline-four engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. A unique pedal system combined the brake and clutch for quick stops. The driver's seat was a foldable bicycle-style seat, allowing operation while standing. The vehicles had sliding side doors, chrome bumpers, and wood storage cabinets with glass fronts. Production continued under Twin Coach until 1936, when the company merged with Divco, leading to the trucks being sold as Divco-Twins until 1941. After World War II, Helms Bakery continued using and modifying these trucks, but production had ceased. By 1969, Helms Bakery shut down, and most of the trucks were scrapped or sold. Today, surviving Twin Coach delivery trucks are rare collector's items. Many have undergone extensive restorations, with some maintaining their original Helms Bakery blue and yellow livery. Others have been repurposed to reflect different businesses or historical themes. Restored examples feature upgraded electrical systems, reconditioned wooden interiors, and rebuilt Hercules engines. One notable restored Twin Coach was completed in 2006 after a 6-year restoration. It retains its original Hercules engine, 4-speed transmission, and period-correct features. This truck has been displayed at events like the Antique Automobile Club of America Hershey Show and remains a symbol of nostalgia for a bygone era of home delivery services. The Twin Coach delivery truck is a testament to early 20th century ingenuity, blending practicality with an enduring charm that continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts and historians today.